The coquette aesthetic is a fashion trend that includes a lot of ultra-feminine frills, lace, and bows, oftentimes accompanied by an array of pastel colors. But you can't sport the coquette look if your mouth is looking like this. In this video, I'll show you guys how to achieve a perfectly coquette mouth to go with your coquette aesthetic. First, you want to start with a solid, clean foundation. You can accomplish this by brushing and flossing your teeth and scraping your tongue on a regular basis properly. You can see if you're doing this correctly by checking out my videos on how to brush, how to floss, and how to scrape your tongue. I'll provide links to those videos in the description below. You may also want to invest in a professional cleaning by a dental hygienist, especially if it's been a while, to get rid of any plaque and tartar that builds up naturally over the months, especially if you have bad brushing and flossing habits or technique. Talk to your local dentist to schedule a cleaning. Next, for the coquette aesthetic, you'll need to whiten your teeth. Please note that whitening teeth is a purely cosmetic treatment. Naturally yellow or gray teeth are not necessarily unhealthy, and if you're okay with the natural color of your teeth, that's fine. But remember, the coquette style is very fresh and airy and light, and a whiter set of teeth would go best with that aesthetic. For the cheapest, most effective option, whitening strips are a great way to go. Crest has always been my go-to, but I recently tried this brand called Ollie, and it works just as well. Plus, it includes an ingredient called potassium nitrate, which helps decrease sensitivity. Next, you want to address your lips. This can be summed up in one word: exfoliate. Nothing ruins the coquette style like a set of crusty lips. I recommend to gently scrub them every time you shower with an exfoliating glove or exfoliating body sponge. Even a small rag will work. Bonus points if it's pink and has a bow on it. The next step is to address your breath. It's definitely a big turnoff if you're walking around in a cute, frilly outfit and your breath stinks like garbage. Now, the foundational steps of brushing, flossing, and scraping your tongue regularly should take care of the typical cause for bad breath. But sometimes bad breath comes from things like congested sinuses, gut issues, or tonsil stones, to name a few. Two products I swear by to maintain a healthy breath are a chlorophyll supplement, which helps cleanse your gut since it's basically like eating a huge bowl of dark leafy greens, as well as a regular sinus rinse. I use a basic NeilMed squirt bottle kit with distilled water. I'll provide links below to the specific products I use, and if you want more info on how to use these products, check out my video called How to Prevent Tonsil Stones, where I go into detail about these products and how to use them. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful so far, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more oral health content and giveaways. Lastly, if you really want to go the extra mile with the coquette aesthetic, consider straightening your teeth with orthodontics. Now, there's nothing wrong with slightly crooked teeth as far as the coquette aesthetic goes. In fact, it can add character to your personal look. The biggest problem with crooked teeth is actually not the aesthetics, but the difficulty in keeping them clean. When you're dealing with a lot of crowding, it can be difficult to brush and/or floss properly, which can lead to excessive buildup of plaque and tartar, which in turn can lead to periodontal disease and even tooth loss, not to mention the bad breath. Now, straightening your teeth can be expensive without a doubt, but there are actually some online programs like Bite that can help achieve a straighter smile at a lower cost. Online ortho is definitely not for everyone though. It's best suited for very mild cases of crowding. It would be ideal to start with a consultation at an actual orthodontist's office, usually it's free, to discuss the severity of your case and your goal with orthodontic treatment, and then make your decision from there. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and take care of your teeth.